Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijay Lakshmi, your maths teacher. So today I am here for you with a new concept. Can you guess what it will be? It is a new lesson and it is connected with shapes. Okay? Yes, it is geometry. You know, geometry is related with shapes, isn't it? You can look around in this park and find out many shapes, isn't it? So, what is geometry? What is actually geometry? Geo means earth and metry means measurement. Geometry is the measurement of things on earth. Okay? So, today you will be learning about lines, line segments, how to measure a line, and open and closed figures also. So, are you all ready for the show? Okay. Geometry. Geometry is the measurement of things on earth. Children, in class 3, you might have learned about shapes, lines, and how to measure lines. Today, let us revise those concepts once again. Let us start with the first one, that is point. A point is a very small dot made with a sharp pencil. It has no length or thickness. A line segment is the straight path between two points. A line segment extending endlessly on both sides is called a line. It does not have a beginning or an end. It is shown with arrows on both sides. A ray is a part of a line. It starts at a point and extends endlessly on one side. It is shown with an arrow on one end. Now let us remember the plane shapes. What are the plane shapes? Yes, square, a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle. They all are plane shapes. Next, what are solid shapes? So solid shapes, do you remember what are the solid shapes? Yes. The solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, and a cylinder. And you all know how many faces, curves, edges, and corners they have. Do you remember all this, children? A cube has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. A cuboid also has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. A cone has 2 faces, 1 corner, and 1 edge. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges, and has no corners. A sphere has 1 face, no corners, and no edges. Measuring line segments. We can measure a line segment using a ruler. Keep the ruler on the line segment to be measured. The 0 mark on the ruler should be on one end point of the line segment. The reading on the ruler where the second end point of the line segment lies is the length of the line segment. The length of the line segment here is 5 cm. Next, let us learn to draw line segments. To draw a line segment of a given length, we need a ruler and a pencil. Now let us draw a line segment of 10 centimeters. The first step is to place the ruler on the paper and firmly hold it with one hand. Now step 2. On the paper, mark a sharp pencil point against the 0 mark on the ruler. Next, step 3. On the paper, mark a sharp pencil point against the 10 centimeter mark on the ruler. Now, step 4. We have to join the two points using a pencil. Okay. In this way, we can draw a line segment AB of 10 centimeter. Okay, children? Now, let us learn about some figures. First, let us learn about open figures. What are open figures? The figures that are not closed from all sides are called open figures. See some of the examples here. They are all open. So, they are called open figures. Now, next one is closed figures. What are closed figures? The figures that are closed from all sides are called closed figures. Here are some closed figures. You can see that they are all closed from all sides. Isn't it? So, these are closed figures. Now, let us learn about polygons. What are polygons? The closed figures which are made up of straight line segments are called polygons. Polygons with different numbers of sides have different names. For example, a polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. And a polygon with 5 sides is called a pentagon. There are different types of triangles, quadrilaterals and pentagons. Today we will learn about some special quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? Yes, it is a polygon with 4 sides. Isn't it? Now, let us see some different types of quadrilaterals. You have already learnt about rectangles. You know that a rectangle has 4 sides and its opposite sides are equal. Because it has 4 sides, it is also a quadrilateral. So, a rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. Now, what about a square? How many sides does it have? Yes, it has 4 sides, isn't it? So, a square is also a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal. So, rectangles and squares are quadrilaterals. So, okay children, so can you tell me what is this line called? Yes, it is a vertical line. And what about this? It is a horizontal line, isn't it? And see this line? Yes, it is a slanting line. Okay, so shapes are everywhere. And we need to know about these shapes more and more. It will help you in the future. Okay, now see the YouTube video attached in the session. Write down the notes and also practice more problems. Okay, see you again in the next class with another topic. Goodbye.